guys, there is this Ariel Matic liquid. So in this video, we are going to see its review and demo. MRP of this 1 liter pack was rupees 320 before, but now it is 185 only and it has a life of 18 months. This one is designed for front load washing machines only, and the cap of this bottle is unique. You can use it for dosing purpose and it ensures zero spillage, and the excess liquid automatically drains back into the bottle. And the cap is of 60 ml. One cap is enough for your regular clothes, but if your clothes are heavily soiled or very dirty, please use additional half cup. So that makes 90 ml for very dirty clothes, 60 ml for normal clothes. You can also pre-treat tough stains by pouring it directly on the stain. Let me show you how instantly it dissolves in water. Just pour one cap and it is ready. And this detergent produces less lather comparing other detergent. Now the liquid is ready. I'm not going to waste it. I have this black blazer which is pretty messed up, and I'm going to soak it and then wash it in the washing machine. So if you also have any tough stains like tea, coffee, chocolate, just soak those clothes 15 minutes before wash and tada! Here you see my blazer. It's almost looking like a new one or a dry cleaned one. So this worked like magic. It also provides refreshing fragrance even from the washed dried clothes. I simply love its fragrance. I don't have a front load washing machine. Just to show you, I'm using it in this one. So add 60 ml of liquid detergent to the detergent section of your front load washing machine and let it run. And this 1 liter of Matic liquid can wash clothes as much as 1 kg powder. It is available in different packaging from 750 ml to 3.2 liter. A perfect product for your delicate office going clothes. This detergent is very effective and useful for your white and the colored ones. It's definitely one of the best choice out there for the front load washing machines. Garments smell great after wash. So that was all about it. If you find the video useful, subscribe. Bye bye.